LockedIn AI is one of the newest and most powerful AI tools that has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into it. Whether you're looking to automate tasks or enhance your digital marketing strategies, this software has a lot to offer, but is it the right fit for you? Stick around, because I'm going to break down everything you need to know so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about what LockedIn AI actually does. It's an advanced AI-powered platform that allows you to automate various aspects of your digital business, from lead generation to content creation. It integrates machine learning to constantly improve its performance, so the more you use it, the smarter it gets. If you're serious about growing your business and staying ahead of the competition, this software could be a game changer. One of the standout features of LockedIn AI is its intuitive interface. Unlike other AI tools that can be overwhelming with technical jargon, this software is designed to be user-friendly. So even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to navigate. The learning curve is minimal, which is a huge plus if you're looking for something you can jump right into without wasting time. Now, let's get into the core of what makes LockedIn AI unique: its ability to automate marketing processes. Whether you need to schedule posts, create social media content, or send out personalized email campaigns, this tool can do it all. It doesn't just automate these tasks, it does so with a level of precision that saves you hours of work every week. Another major benefit of LockedIn AI is its data-driven insights. The platform gives you in-depth analytics, helping you understand what's working and what's not. This isn't just about automating processes. It's about making smarter decisions based on real-time data. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the data overload from running ads or managing campaigns, LockedIn AI can help you streamline your decision-making process. LockedIn AI also stands out because of its versatility. It works with a wide range of platforms and tools, which means it can seamlessly integrate into your existing workflow. You won't need to switch to a whole new set of tools to get the benefits of this software. Whether you're using it for e-commerce, social media, or email marketing, it's designed to fit into whatever system you already have in place. Another thing to mention is how quickly LockedIn AI adapts. As the digital marketing world changes, the software continuously evolves, ensuring that you're not stuck using outdated tools. It's essentially future-proof, which is vital when you're investing in something that's supposed to help you grow long-term. Now, here's something that really sets it apart. You can try LockedIn AI completely free. If you're on the fence, you can test the software out and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your needs. I've included a link in the description below, so make sure to grab that and give it a shot before committing to anything. To wrap things up, if you're looking to level up your digital marketing and save time, LockedIn AI could be exactly what you need. After trying thousands of AI software solutions, I've narrowed it down to my top picks, and LockedIn AI is definitely worth checking out. All the best tools are in the description, so be sure to explore them and see which ones work best for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check out the links in the description for more free trials of my top recommended AI software. You've got nothing to lose by giving them a try, and you could gain some serious time-saving tools for your business.